The educational system never taught us how to make smart investment decisions, like real estate, stocks, or even how to balance a checkbook. I just found a way to teach your kids how to make smart investment decisions using a simple framework that nobody is talking about. Parents want to teach the value of money and investing, so what do? They give them chores, they pay them for it, thinking now their kids understand money management. The reason that this does not work is because no investor actually saved their way into becoming wealthy. What will happen when they no longer get paid to complete chores? I'm one of those parents that's not happy that our schools do not teach our kids how to invest their money. My name is Jay Bhakta, and I'm the owner of Base Case and Build, where I've taught hundreds of kids the strategies and habits of the top 1% of the wealthy to give them an unfair advantage that we wish we had at their age. So let's get into it. So here's the framework. Today I'm going to break down Nassim Taleb's barbell strategy from his book, The Black Swan, in a way that's easy to grasp. This strategy is all about balancing your investments between your super safe options and your high risk, high reward ones. Let me walk you through it. First off, what you need to do is take a step back and look at what you've got invested. Sort them into two groups. On one side, you have the safe bets like your government bonds, savings accounts, CDs. They're the reliable players. On the other side, you have the riskier moves like stocks, options, venture capitals, cryptocurrencies, the works. Now, any investment that doesn't fit into these two categories, they're in the middle of the barbell. It's in no man's land, and you probably want to do away with it. It's best to steer clear of these middle ground investments. Next, check if your investment barbell is off balance. Too much on the safe side, and you might crawl towards your goals and might not even get there in this lifetime. There's a quote from Virginia Satir: most prefer the certainty of misery over the misery of uncertainty. So think about it. If you have no chance of getting what you want in life, then what's the point? Now, if you're too heavy on the risky side, now you're playing with fire. You're risking it all. You've heard the saying from Warren Buffett: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a protection against ignorance. So it's crucial to know where you stand in your investments. Without this clarity, you're just shooting in the dark, and it could lead you further away from your goals. You might even jeopardize what you've already achieved and backtrack on your progress by making an emotional, unnecessary investment. So here's a handy rule for your kids to get started. Put about 80 to 90% of your portfolio in a safe, reliable investments, and the remaining 10 to 20%, that's your high risk ventures. The beauty here is that you don't need to go overboard with the risky stuff. A little goes a long way, and you could collapse time to reach your financial goals without taking on more risk than you need to. Your age, how stable your income is, your financial responsibilities, and how much risk you can stomach, all these factors play into shaping your barbell. Nearing your financial goals? Maybe it's time to lean into safer investments. Not moving towards your goals fast as you'd like? Consider upping the risk a bit. Or you might already be where you need to be and not even realize it. So I challenge you to zoom out and take a look at where you sit on the barbell. Are you playing it too safe? Are you taking on too much unnecessary risk? Next, share this strategy with your kids so they understand how to keep their own barbell balanced. This skill is going to help them tremendously in developing financial stability and reaching their goals. This kind of practical, real-world knowledge is what we're missing in our education system, and it's what you should focus on. These are the type of strategies we teach in our program. If you find strategies like this valuable for your kids, then make sure you follow and subscribe to my channels, and I'll see you next time.